Hi all. A little update on the knee thing. I got the results back for from the CAT scan, and it's good results. There is no arthritis at all, so that's a good thing. And all it really is just some fluid retention, water retention, and the doctor gave me some pretty strong water pills. Wants me to take those for a while. Take one every day for a little while, and then one every other day or so. And he said, get off my rear end and start doing something, start moving around. So it looks like I'll be heading back up to the mountains probably about Wednesday or so, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll see. I wasn't expecting to be back up there so soon, so I got some work to do on the camper and all that, and I'm excited. So yeah, he just said make sure I take the water pills like I'm supposed to, and I shouldn't have any problems anymore. So I'm happy. There won't be any surgery or anything like that. So I guess that's kind of about it. That's all I really wanted to say. And yeah, that's it. I'll talk to you again soon.